Hi guys, this is a Jumbuck portable pizza oven, which is a clone of the original Bakerstone one. The Bakerstone one was selling for about $200 New Zealand, and the Jumbuck one has been reduced in price to $49 New Zealand clearance. So that's what, $30 US or less. Anyway, I don't have a barbecue gas barbecue with 3 burners or 4 burners to put this on top of, so I'm going to stick it on top of my L-tube rocket stove and see what happens. Maybe the heat will be so intense it'll crack the ceramic stone, but we'll see. Anyway, let's open this up and see if we can heat her up. So it looks like I've pulled it out upside down. Let's get all this suffocating plastic off. So there's a bit of polystyrene holding the pizza stone in place, but they skimped on the polystyrene and it's sort of pushing out, lifting up. Anyway, hopefully it'll be okay. Comes with a 1-year warranty. So this looks like pretty standard, some sort of thermometer on the top. Warm, ideal in hot zone, oh well. Enamel coated, so it shouldn't rust. And let's get the stone out. So here's the ceramic stone. I guess if it breaks I could just use a terracotta tile. So that's the inside of the thing. I'm going to vacuum all that stuff away so it doesn't melt in the flame. So here's the underside of it, which is a grill of some sort, and hopefully they'll act as the heat diffuser, rapidly spread the heat across the whole plate, and won't crack the stone once I get the rocket stove working. So that looks like it might work. This rocket stove has about 1,000 degrees centigrade at the top of it. So it's going to hit this diffuser plate here and then spread the heat across the pizza stone. I've got lots of ventilation here, so it's going to allow the flames to leave and not cause it to choke the fire. Yeah, so time to get it up and running. Put the pizza stone in first, I guess. So we're about 10 minutes into the burn now. The top of the riser is about 300 degrees Celsius, but the pizza stone is only about 100 so far. I can't wait, so I've got a bit of a fan going here to try and get things going. A bit of smoke, maybe I need to cut back on the fan. So 20 minutes into the burn and you can see all that flame coming up. The pizza stone is only reading 158, but if we go underneath it's reading 600 degrees Celsius, 559 degrees Celsius. Can't read the reflective areas. So I just need to wait for that pizza stone to heat up. So the top of it, only 172, 200 now. So we're about 25 minutes into the burn now. A little bit of smoke because I put some more wood in. Front is reading 278 Celsius. Back is reading 410. Right side is 248. 304 on the left. So it's probably not quite centered. It's on half an hour now, or just over half an hour. And let's have a look what we got. A lot of flame still coming up. 336 at the front. 452 Celsius or centigrade at the back. On the left 380. On the right 332. So there's a hot spot of 450 at the back. Okay, and it grows to, so it cools off closer to the front. Alright, I think it's time to cook some pizza. Oh, I forgot there's a the thermometer on top of the thing. Anyway, let's have a look. Well, I think it says top of the ideal range. Okay. Alright, pizza time. Let's have a look. Tiny pizza here. Oh. I bent it a little bit as I pushed it in. It's too hot, stay too cooking. Okay, is it charring or something as it goes in? Sure, that's pretty quick. Maybe it's too hot. It smells burnt at the bottom already. Maybe I need to rotate it. So the cheese is melting. Looks like the bottom is actually burning. Maybe it's too hot. 400 degrees, probably I shouldn't leave it more than a minute. I'll try and lift it up to get the toast done, the sides done. On reflection, that's probably the polenta burning. They will use it to keep it to slide on the base. Anyway, that thing looks like done. I'll take it out, only a couple of minutes. Alright, so this is the pizza that's we took out. It's got that leopard skinning on the sides. Look at the back, see if it's all burnt or not. Bloody hot. So, probably too much. Okay. And it's crisp as well. So when I cut it, the base is crisp, what you expect anyway. Easily cuts. Let's check the wife's dough. Okay, a little bit dark at the back. Time to try it out anyway. So I finished the one pizza, and that's all the pizza dough we had. It's 3/4 of an hour since I started the fire, and the pizza oven is still reading about 346 on the left, 383 at the back, 268, and at the top it's saying still at the top of the good range for cooking. So I was getting Neapolitan type temperatures, but didn't have the Neapolitan technique to stop it burning. Anyway, obviously I need to practice a bit more, but thanks for watching.